it's a little easier, you might be able to use the open side.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's broke loose. When you get loose enough, you can just use your hands.
I can even get positioned into it.
Feels so wrong twisting it backwards, isn't it? To loosen it.
Yeah, it feels so weird. Just not used to it. I feel like I'm almost cheating on the lefties. Knees off.
Ah, don't lose none of it.
I found it though. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Good part about having small hands.
Left.
Yeah. But everything's got to be straight at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah.
We good?
All right, now switch it around, put the box end on it.
Box end was already on
No,
it.
that's the open end.
What do you mean the circle?
Yeah, it's the box end. Now, other way. There you go. Push down. There you go. Now, put that around the big ball and pulley. Now, of course, you see that the smooth pulleys are always going to get the back side of the belt.
Oh, it's just gonna be like this?
Yep. Hang on. See, to the right there? That one's got to be pulled up and over. That one. You got the diagram right there in front of you.
Hmm?
You got the diagram right there in front of you.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at that.
Pull your wrench off until you need it. There you go. Now the other side. And look.
It's saying going under.
No, okay, hang on. Sorry, that far. Take the one off of the power steering pump.
This one?
Yes. Pull up. Peyton, put that around the bottom of the crank pulley.
This one?
On your
bottom.
left side.
Very bottom.
Oh, it's already on there.
Yes, now it's got to go
this
up.
one.
Yeah, it's got to, there you go, just like that.
So that's gonna go there.
Now that's going to go over to your right, Corinne.
This?
Yes, around the power steering pulley.
And then
Nope, that's alternator.
This one?
Yeah, it's going to go under there, up over the alternator.
Under.
Now, hang on. This one over here. Come around this pulley. Now, literally, okay, take it off the alternator real quick. Put it underneath that one. Because the alternator should be the last thing it goes around, just because it makes it easier. Yeah, then you put that, nope, a little more vertical. So you get more travel, more stroke. To the right, go right, twist right. Twist right, there you go. Now, I'll put that on there and then hand it to me. And I'll hold it for you. No, put it on there for you. There you go. See how it's sliding off? Push down. And then push, 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 push.
More. More. There we go.
Now, just kind of look over everything real quick. Make sure everything's somewhat centered in the pulleys. Especially the one you just put back on.
Yeah.
All right. Now these ones with the V's, with the grooves in it, it's got to be between this big lip and this big lip. So it's got to be perfectly on all those little grooves.
Yep.
All right, pull all the tools off. Hook your battery back up.
Turn on the vehicle.
Yep. And then test it out.
Oh, my knees.
So hook your post back up. Yeah, it's gonna shock it a little bit. Oh, what was that?
Yeah.
No, it was 3/4.
Oh, no, it was a 9.
No, that small one was a 9/16, remember? The big one was a 3/4. Not too hard. Remember, there's not much in there. Let me see. It's definitely gotta go harder than that. All right, fill that. No, I said
What?
fill it, not tighten it more.
Well,
Now.
it's tight.
Well, it doesn't matter if you by going excess like that, you're stripping it out. Understand? You're doing damage to it.
Hey,
What?
what string do we put on this?
What size is that string?
0.065.
Nope, it's not big enough.
Wrong one.
Yeah,
That's why we haven't been using it.
yeah.
Where'd we get it?
That one we got for the old weed eater. Now use the 3/4
Already did.
to hold this one still, so you don't tighten it up more. Don't touch the body; you're gonna shock yourself.
I'm trying not to.
And this puts off enough juice to numb your arm. It hurts. And you're touching the body. You touch the body with that.
I can't help.
Yes, you can. Look, see? How it's not touching the body?
What body?
The body of the truck.
I gotta-
These are grounded to the body. Which means if you take the positive and touch it to the body, you will blow the battery up.
Are you recording?
Yes. There you go.